Hello friends, in this video I will talk about Bing Chat and its features and its usage and the difference between ChatGPT and Bing Chat. So Bing Chat is a new chat mode of Microsoft Bing search that allows you to communicate with Bing. It is primarily a search engine, so the new chat feature can access web result and up-to-date information. Bing Chat is available on more platforms than ChatGPT, including Android, iOS and even the Skype app. However, it currently requires you to join a waitlist, whereas you can use ChatGPT immediately. So to access the Bing Chat, you can use your browser of choice and navigate to bing.com. On this page, click on chat in your top navigation, which will open a new window. If you are not using the Microsoft Edge browser, or if you have not joined the waitlist yet in the Edge browser, you can head over to the bing.com and click on the chat tab. You can also access Bing Chat just by hovering over the discover icon in the top right of the sidebar. So once you have logged on to this Bing Chat, so you can see the features. So there are many things that you can do with Bing Chat. Here are some examples: create comparison tables, draw text out, convert date and time, turn web pages into quizzes, get up to speed on current events. So these are the some use cases of the Bing Chat. Now head over to the Bing Chat console. So Bing Chat has a new option that allows user to switch the chatbot's tone. There are three types to choose from: more creative, more balanced and more precise. The more creative tone generates original and imaginative responses that create surprise and entertainment for you. The more balanced tone generates reasonable and coherent responses that balance accuracy and creativity in the conversation. The more precise tone generates factual and concise response that prioritize accuracy and relevancy for you. So let's try this Bing Chat. I am in the creative mode. So now I am asking the question, what is the difference between ChatGPT and Bing Chat? So now it is creating this. So if we scroll down, now it will take you to the Bing search, and if we scroll up, then it will take you back to the Bing Chat. Now it is generating the result for us, so we can see what is the difference between the ChatGPT and Bing Chat. So overall we can summarize this. ChatGPT is a complex chatbot that relies on limited resources such as academic journals, business website, publication and Wikipedia. On the other hand, Bing chatbot is an AI-based search engine that also works on chatbots. So ChatGPT is free to use, but there is a premium paid tier known as ChatGPT Plus, which gives greater access to the tool, including GPT-4. Bing Chat is entirely free, but there is a limit of 150 conversation you can have per day, with a limit of 15 chats per session. Conversation length is also limited to 2000 character per prompt or responses. So ChatGPT has a character limit as well as, but does not currently have a limit on conversation you can have per day. So these are the differences between ChatGPT and Bing Chat. So now let's ask the second question. Now I am asking the global news in the Bing Chat. So if we scroll down, it will take me to the Bing search, and if I scroll up, then it will take me back to the Bing Chat. So now it is showing the global news around the world. So this is how it is working. So you can also see the I have asked the 2 question out of 15 question, as I have mentioned that we can have a limit of 15 chats per session, and there is a limit of 150 conversation you can have per day. So let's ask the third question. What is the current weather in New Delhi? So this is how it is fetching the real-time data in Bing Chat. previously the ChatGPT was not capable of fetching the real-time data such as cricket score or any sports data or any real-time data, but with the enhanced feature of GPT-4 and some edit plugins available in the ChatGPT itself, now it is also starting fetching the real-time data in the ChatGPT. So now let's ask the next question: what is the current AI engine that is used in Bing Chat? So it will give you. So it is showing it is using GPT-4 in Bing Chat, but in the ChatGPT you can also switch back to the GPT-3 or and GPT-4, but GPT-4 is not free in ChatGPT. You have to have the subscription for that. So now let's ask the other question: is GPT-4 free in ChatGPT? So it will give me the result whether it is free in ChatGPT or not. As I already told you that in ChatGPT GPT-4 is not free, but in the Bing Chat you can access it free of cost. So it is showing that GPT-4 is not used for free in ChatGPT. So this is expected. GPT-4 is not free in ChatGPT, but you can use Bing Chat for that to use the GPT version 4. So both ChatGPT and Bing Chat are AI chatbot that can understand when you ask them question or make statement in natural human language. Both services support a range of languages. Through ChatGPT is more focused on English, whereas Bing Chat offers a wide array of non-English languages also. And ChatGPT is a complex chatbot that relies on limited resources such as academic journal, business website, publications, and Wikipedia. On the other hand, Bing AI chatbot is an AI search engine that also works on chatbots. So let me ask some other question. What is the difference between Bing Chat and ChatGPT? So it is generating the result, the difference between language model, platform availability, and web integration and cost. So these are the differences that it is highlighting. And chat modes. And creative responses. So as a naive user, is the main difference for the beginner is the free version and the paid version, because the ChatGPT is offering a subscription for the GPT version 4, and Bing Chat is free of cost, but it has a limitation how many conversation do you have per session, so as I already told you. So the best part of using the Bing Chat is that they are also integrated the image creator with this Bing browser. So an artificially intelligence powered image generator, which the company says will make the search engine more visual. The image generator incorporates OpenAI DALL-E, and a AI tool that creates image based on text prompts. So let me create an image for you. So let me ask a design an awesome BMW car. So it will generate the awesome design of the BMW car, but it will take some time to generate the image because it is getting done by the DALL-E in the background. So it has generated the image for that. So this is how it is creating the image for us. So this is AI image creator. So I will ask next question and we will try some sample out. So let's ask a different question. A sparrow eating an insect. So let's see how this is going to generate an image for this. So it will take some time to get connected to DALL-E engine in the background and creating the image for us. So we have to have some patience. Now it is created the image for us. So this is how it is this is how it is working, and it is created the image. So thanks for watching this video. So which AI chatbot did you like most, and tell me in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed, hit subscribe and click the bell to stay up to date with our latest tech and software related videos here on Techtinge.